Now to this, Attorney General Javier Becerra is speaking up tonight about the new lawsuit against the state from the California Rifle and Pistol Association. He says, quote, California leads the nation on common sense gun safety measures to protect our citizenry. We are awaiting receipt of the lawsuit. I intend to rigorously defend California law. This lawsuit is targeting 6 laws that took effect on January 1st, including background checks for ammunition sales. And gun owners looking to abide by the new California laws are hitting a major roadblock. One of the laws requires those who have assault weapons to register them by January 1st, but the website to do so is not working.
New tonight, CBS 13's Shirin Rajae joins us live from the Department of Justice. Shirin.
Sam and Adrian, a lot of frustration tonight among gun owners who tell me they've been trying for months to register, but they can't. They're concerned if this isn't resolved soon, there'll be a mad rush to meet a deadline only 8 months away.
I just shoot paper targets, and I originally got a handgun for home protection.
Sacramento resident John, who asked us not to use his last name, is a gun owner who for months now has been trying to register his assault rifle as required by California law.
They said it should be easily done through the internet at a website. You should pay no more than $15, and it should be an easy process. But that has not turned out to be the case.
John says when he goes on the California Department of Justice website to register online, he sees a message in red that reads in part, the ability to register an assault weapon is not yet available. At this time, the regulations are still pending. However, they should be effective in the very near future. Please continue to check the Bureau of Firearms website for updates.
You know, we have approximately 6 months or so, and I feel like I'm running out of time.
Gun store owner Josh Deeser says being in limbo is frustrating, especially given a January 1st deadline.
As we are now going into the 5th month of the year, and there's still nothing in place, there's still nothing going on, we don't know what to do.
Deeser doesn't understand the holdup and questions the DOJ's plan for working through regulations.
The plan is already there, the procedure's already there from the previous, so this really should be a no-brainer why this hasn't gotten set up.
The concern for gun owners is the serious consequences they could face if their assault weapon is not properly registered.
The penalties for any gun law infractions are severe, and so I don't want to even get close to having any infraction.
Now, I did speak with the Department of Justice tonight. They didn't offer much. They didn't offer a time frame, but what they did say is that they're working through these regulations and will offer enough time for people to register.
Shirin Rajae reporting live for us tonight in Sacramento. Thank you.